configuration was I didn't explain yesterday. Today I will continue the two configuration as well as clearing as well. Okay, first I will explain how we need to clear, and then I will explain that configuration point of view. There is two configurations was left, right? So that I will explain later. So first let me create one scenario, and I will explain the errors. Then finally I will do the configuration for APP. And yesterday I shared you one document, and please make sure that that APP all configurations are all configurations available in that document. So just configured APP and then post the entries. So today I will share important automatic payment program errors. It's completely real time. Okay, so let me book one invoice relating to vendor. FB60, go to FB60 and take one vendor number over here and go to invoice date, this one, reference anything you can take it. So I post two entries. Okay, just didn't share. I already shared the screen. Can you able to view my screen, all of the coins?
I can see Chanu.
Okay, so you can join again, Rahima. So everyone can view my screen, or only Saif is able to view? Remaining, or what about remaining people?
I can see your screen, Chan, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, let me take raw material account. Sorry. Okay, so GL account is raw material and the vendor is 7614. Raw material to vendor. So just now I'm booking one invoice. Okay, and 1000 amount. So in the test, so just take test and simulate the document. So raw material to Chanu SK. So I'm just posting the entry. So I posted one entry. Okay. So I posted one entry, document 319. I will post another entry. And you can give the number 8,000 rupees. So take your GL account. $8,000. Test. Okay. Just simulate the document and you can just post it. So I posted two documents. Okay. So where I can see these documents, open item, right? These are all open item. FBL1N. Okay. /N FBL1N. So give your vendor ID. So company code. Okay, open key date. So on this date, how many open items are there? We are just checking right now. Just execute. So just now I posted these two entries. Okay, one is 1000 and second one is 8000. This is due. Okay, automatic payment program will pick the due items and also overdue items. So it's a open item. Okay, so whenever you can see this is in red color, that means it's a open item. That means it's uncleared item, not cleared. Okay, now through automatic payment program, I will clear this. Okay, so F110. Okay, just go to F110. So you can take today's date. Okay, you can take today's date and run date is So identification you can take run 2, run 3, anything you can give your name or test anything. So just go to parameters, posting date, document entered up to, it's automatically come once you given the run date. So give your company code. And payment method is check. I'm taking a payment method V. V is check, okay. And next posting date is I'm taking this one. So in real time, why we need to take this 502021? What is that purpose? So in interview they will ask you what is the posting date purpose. See, today I'm running the automatic payment program. So why I need to give the next posting date? This is the question. This is interview question. Okay. So up to 5/02/2021, how many invoices are open for this vendor? Okay, just now I'm taking vendor. For this vendor, up to 05/2021. Okay, even I'm giving run date today, but system will take 05/02/2021. How many open items are there? Everything will be cleared. All open items will be picked by the automatic payment program. I mean all due and overdue only. Let's say 05/02/2021 up to, so some invoices are due or overdue, so the system will pick it up. Okay, so why we are taking this one? Because so vendors will cash discounts. Vendors will give cash discounts. That is the reason. So we don't want to lose the cash discount. So we need to avail that benefit from the vendor. That is the reason we need to give the next posting date. So this means we are paying the invoice before the due date so that we will get the cash discount. That is the purpose, right? And once you enter the information, just copy this vendor and go to additional log. So check any 3 items. Okay, so and post it over here. So this is a vendor. Okay, this is vendor. And after that, go to status, save. Okay, so your parameters have been entered. So this is in green color. And then go to printout medium. Okay, so last time we have created one program. Okay, so in the configuration, if you keep watching on that third or fourth configuration, so there we have created one program. It's automatically come once you given in that configuration. So here I'm giving a test variant. I need to create test is a variant or variant. Okay, anything you can take it. Okay, then go to maintain variants for all sessions and screens. Continue, and here you give your company code. So just we are giving the details. That's it. So our payment method is V, and house bank. So which bank you are paying? ICICI. Bank ID ICICI. Currency INR. Okay, check lots. So actually once this is a payment method is V is check. Okay, I am paying the invoice through check. So check print will be there, right? Once the check issued, then print will be there. So that is the reason we need to create a check lot in the backend side. So for that we need to give the number also. Okay. So I'm taking the check lot. So number is available, this one. So I'm taking the check lot. And after that, you just give print immediate, print immediate, print immediate, and printer name is LP01. Okay. And just come down. No void checks. Okay, checks void nahi hona chahiye. So these are all basic details we have just provided in this place. First we have given company code, payment method. So how we create payment method, I will tell tomorrow. I will share that information after the end of the session. So I will give you the assignment also. House bank, account ID, check lots, currency. Okay, and printer details I just provided. Nothing else. Remaining all things are there. Okay, so this is automatically come into this place. Once you provide the information, it's automatically come. There is no need to give all this information. So just click on this. Okay, just go to attributes. And here you can write it's a test run, okay, test run 4. Description you can give it test run 4, Control S, save. Okay, it's saved. So tester is saved, variant is created. Now just go back. Okay, variant is this one is created. Okay, now what you can do, just go to status, save. Okay, then go to proposal, start immediately. So start date should be this date, run date, and don't select this option. This is for DME program. There is no need to select this option. So schedule, okay, enter. So payment proposal has been created. Then go to display. Okay, not this one. Go to display proposal. So your payment in green color. So green color means there is no error. Okay, so that means you can pay it. So everything is okay. Let's say it is in red color, you cannot pay the invoice. So how we can pay? Just go back. So how many invoices are in this list? Let's see, this is the vendor. How many invoices are there? 2 invoices. Okay, one invoice amount is, we just now checked, 1000, and second invoice amount is 9000. Okay, so total payment is 9000 rupees for this 2 invoice, same vendor. Now I want to pay. How I can do this? Just go to payment run and start immediately. Okay, so start day should be the same. So schedule, enter. So posting done. So one generated, one completed. So that means by automatic payment program, I have cleared vendor invoice. So how can I notify that I have cleared that vendor? Just go to FBL1N. Okay, now just execute. Is there any open item are there? System will tell you, okay, this is the open item still available. Okay, just I executed. So all are cleared. That is the reason on this date there is no open item. That means there is no open invoice, because all 2 invoices are cleared right now. Okay, so I want to check cleared items list. Okay, on this today's date, so you can give the today's date. Okay, and now execute. So these are all cleared through, see here, ZP document, ZP document, ZP document, ZP document, ZP document, because I have cleared these invoices through automatic payment program. So this one is different, kHAD. kHAD is the manual way I cleared. This is the this invoice. That is the reason the system is giving, it's a kHAD. Okay. So if you pay all the invoices through automatic payment program, then we can easily identify that this invoice was paid through automatic payment program, because we have set document type in the automatic payment program. Yesterday I have shown you. So this is the process. Okay, so if you want to check in the table level, okay, just go to SC16N. Okay, and you can also check BSEC. Okay, because BSIK is the table, open items are there. Right now I don't need any open items because everything is cleared. Okay, not this fiscal year, company code, this one, fiscal year 2021. So if you want to check, go to online. What is that? What happened? Again, go to SC16N. Okay, give your company code 2021. What happened? Oh, sorry, fiscal year I'm taking 2021. Okay, just execute. So these are all documents I posted. Okay, so one is debit and one is credit. All documents I posted. in my system. Okay. So how I can trace out these all information? So which one is automatic payment program I cleared? Okay, how I can trace out? Okay, just go to this place. 1 minute. GL is there. Document type, right? So based on the document type, we can also find out. I mean, so document type is the not line item. That is the reason it's not come. So your posting date is there. Based on the posting date, we can see document type is there. Okay. So just go to document type and set filter. So ZP document, KZ document is there. ZP is our main document because we have cleared automatic payment programs. These are all things I cleared through automatic payment program. So that is the reason on today's date it's showing because I cleared these all things today. Okay. So you can find like that. And the next thing is, this is the process. Okay. And I will post immediately one invoice. Okay. So for your practice, how the details will be given to how the inputs will be given to automated payment program. I will post again and I will show. A B60 post invoice, invoice date, amount 1000. So test GL account, raw material I'm taking, and it's 1000 only. And go to test, simulate, post it. Okay. Next, go to FB F110. Okay, give the details, make it run 3. Okay, go to parameter, give your company code, give the payment method, next posting date, vendor, additional log. So there is something wrong. What happened? Next posting date is 2021. Okay, select any 3, go to vendor. Okay, status, save, print medium, come to this place. So you can give the print medium anything and go maintain variants. Select for selection all screens, you can take it. Here you can give the paying company code, vendor. So payment method is V, house bank, account ID, currency, LP01. Okay. Select all options and check lot number 1 and no avoid checks. Okay. Now just go to attributes. So give the variant description, save. Okay, it's done. Go back, status, save, proposal, start immediate, schedule, enter, check display. It is in red green color. Now you can pay it. Okay, payment run, schedule, completed. Right? Now I want to check the payment advice. For that, go to printout. Okay, go to printout, and here I'm giving my company code CHAN, schedule. Okay, then go to SP01 /N SP01 spool. Okay, here we need to give the spool number, but there is no requirement right now, and just execute. Okay, so this one is created. Spool is created. This is the final spool. So this is the check. Okay, so sample checkout. So like that we need to do. So this is the check SAP script PDF OTF. Okay, this is the error. If anything you can find out, error log. So anything is wrong, then error will come. Checks are void, error will come. So this is the error. So the form as given, that was incorrect maybe. That is the reason error was thrown first time. Okay, this is the error. So we need to check the form. This one is correct or not. So for that, ABAP help we need to take. Okay. So this is the basic information about automated payment program. So we have cleared all the invoices through automated payment program. Right now I will create some errors. I will share the information how to create errors, etc. Let's say I am creating one invoice right now. No, I'm just running automated payment program. Okay, F110. Okay, run for, enter, go to parameters, give your company code, payment method V. Okay, next date, vendor. So check. Okay, status. If you want to see the print details, so here we need to give, but for me not required. So first time if you want to do the print, then you can do all these settings, or else there is no requirement. Just go to proposal, start immediate, error. Oh, okay. Just go to disclose proposal. There is nothing, there is no open item. This is the error will come. So company code chart does not appear, run correct. This is the error. So why this error come? Because for this vendor, there is no open items. No open item, that means the invoice automatic payment program will pick only due and overdue invoices. So this is by seeing this message, we can easily find out that there is no open item. That is the reason you cannot able to run anything through automatic payment program. This is first error. Okay, for confirmation, just go back. Where is it back? Top. Oh. Okay. So I was run for, I need to delete that one proposal. This is the proposal I created. Okay. But you find that there is no open item. How you can confirm? Just go to FBL1N. Okay, give your vendor details and give your company code. Company code is CHEN and check. Okay, and just execute. So there is no open item, right? That means you cannot pay anything. If there is open item, then automatic payment program will pick that invoice. If there is no open item, so no open item, that means you cannot pay anything. This is one error. And the second error, this is done, right? So I just go to FD, this screen, previous screen, /n F110. So once you did not find anything, then you need to remove all these things, okay? Or else the same thing will be appeared over here. So whatever you created, you need to delete, or else you will find many errors. Okay. So now what? So for deletion of the proposal, I told you, right, in the payment run there are two proposals will be there. One is proposal run. The one is once you created payment proposal, you are getting all the invoices, so which are available to pay. Okay. So in the proposal run, we will find all the open invoices and overdue invoices. So payment run we are clearing. So for payment run we need to select this option. Okay. So you cannot pay anything even if you run this option. So there no item you cannot pay. Okay. Because nothing is there. Nothing is there. So payment run has been carried out. So you cannot pay anything. So once you created in the system, but you need to remove all these things. Okay. So don't make put all in open. So for that you just go to more, edit. First we need to remove the payment run. So for that delete output. Yes. One is done. And second proposal. Just go to edit, proposal, delete. It's done. Okay. And third one is parameters. So what are the parameters we need to delete? Delete. So like that you need to remove all these things, or else sometimes you will get more errors. Okay. So once everything is okay, once it is clear, there is no need to remove all these things. But errors are coming, but you are still keeping that like that. Then in future you will get money issues. So I will post. Now you can understand how to delete parameters, how to delete payment run, and how to delete proposal run. Right? So now I will create one error. Okay, FB60. I'm just going to vendor master XK02. XK02 work out for the business partner. Okay. If you want to change anything, you can go to XK02. This will be work for the business partner also. Okay, select all these things. So XK01 for vendor creation, BP01 for business partner. Same or BP01 is XK01 will not valid in real time in S4 HANA server. But BP01 will work out for creation. For changing, you can directly go to XK02. Okay, it will work out. Right? Just you need to provide the information. In vendor master, I am removing the payment method. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am going to company code and removing the payment method. So where is that payment method option? So in payment transactions, so payment method V is there. Okay. So that is the reason system is picking V, automatic payment program. See, in the invoice level, I didn't give any method. Okay, but automatic payment program will picking from vendor master data. Okay, because this vendor 7614 vendor, the payment method is selected in V in the vendor master data. That is the reason system will picking V only. Okay, in invoice level, I didn't give anything. Okay, so now what can I do? Okay, removing this one. So assume that I didn't give any payment methods in the vendor. What happened? Let's see. Just save it. Saved. Okay. Now go to FB60 /n FB60. Okay, so just give all the details. How much amount? 1000. 1000. Test. Okay. Right. Everything is okay. And where you can the payment method in the invoice level. So here is the option. Here also you can give the payment method. Okay. So I will tell one scenario after that. So I'm not giving anything in the invoice level. What happened? Let's see. 1 minute, please. Okay, just simulate post. It's done. Okay. Now you can go to F110. Okay, just give run 5. Go to parameters. In the parameter, all these details are. Okay, you need to give it over here. So go to additional log. Select. Okay, status save and go to proposal. Select this option. Enter. Okay, just go to display proposal. So this go to exception. Okay, why this is exception? How we can find out where this goes to exception? So once you double click on this, you can see the line item level. Again double click. Okay, payment method for run or not specified in the vendor master. Okay, this is the reason you are getting the error. Okay, how we can resolve this? How we can resolve? Just go back. Okay, so you created proposal run, that's fine. Okay, in the proposal run you can easily identify that where is the error, what is that error. Okay, so your analysis, right now your analysis started. So you come to know that in vendor master payment method is not updated. Okay, so one option is you can directly go to vendor master, you can update it, or else there is some other option is there. I will tell you. First we need to delete this one again. Okay, just go to more, edit, delete. So we are deleting the proposal right now. Okay, and again I'm going to FBL1N. Okay, so I'm just going to FBL1N. So here you can give the details, vendor, etc., and just execute. Got it? So this is the invoice has problem because I didn't give payment method in vendor master data as well as vendor master in the S4HANA. It's a business partner. Okay, in ECC it is vendor master. So I didn't give any payment method in the business partner concept in S4HANA and in ECC. Now just double click on this. Okay, and here is one option is there, change display. Double click. Okay, here you can give the payment method V. V is for check, save, Control S. Okay, so once it is done, you will get a message. I mean, even you posted the invoice, after that you can also add payment method. Okay. Maybe system taking too much time. Let's wait for some time. Okay, has been saved. Okay, changes have been saved. Now again go to that place. Okay, F110 /n F110. Okay, so you need to go to proposal, select schedule, enter, and now we go to display log. Now it is in green color. Now you can pay it. So you can update your payment method either in the vendor master or in invoice level. Assume that the client requirement is not to update any payment method in the invoice level, because in real time we should not pay any one single payment. Thousands of payments we can do it, but here I'm showing only one. Real time how we can take it, I will tell. I again delete this because I need to create many errors today. Okay, just go to parameters. In real time we will take 1 to 99999. Okay, okay, we can take like that. So here we should not take only one vendor, we can take entire payment methods. Okay, that time you will get an error. I mean, they are posting, so anything is wrong, error will come, right? So for the time being, I created only one invoice, but in real time, they will take all payment methods and all vendors. Okay. Now this is just like, and one more option is you can directly go to again XK02. Okay. And you can also update the payment method. In which place it is? So go to company code and vendor correspondence. Here we can update again and save. Okay, so this is the two solutions. One is you can give payment method in the invoice level, or else you can give the payment method in the which level? Master data level. Assume that payment method I have given V, but the invoice I have given X. X is also payment method for Y transfer. Which one system will pick first? System will pick automated payment program, not V. Whatever you will give in the invoice level, that will system pick it up first. That is the first priority. Okay. So if you are not giving in the invoice level, so vendor master data, all the payment methods should be picked up. Here you can, here there is you can only enter the one payment method. No, in real time for this vendor, many payment methods will be there. All payment methods you can select and save. So you can also add 4 or 5 payment methods in this place. Okay. So this is one error, 2 errors I explained. Okay, one more error I will tell you right now. Again, go to FBA. Again, go to FB L1N. Okay. And today also updated one video in YouTube. One error. This is that is different error. I explained in that. Please watch that video. And just go to this place. Change display mode. Okay. Here I am blocking for payment. Okay, for which option I need to take? Block for payment B or lock. Okay, so this invoice is blocked for payment because of due to some reasons. Okay, how I can do this? I saved. Okay, now you can go to again FB L1N and go to status parameters, additional log. Okay, and just go to status. I think we already created, maybe. Save. Go to proposal. Schedule. Okay, go to display proposal. Error will come. Why? Double click. Select this option. It is blocked for payment. So what is the reason? B. So what is B? Blocked for payment. You cannot pay this invoice. It goes to exception. Okay. This is, let's say I make this invoice in, okay, so I make this invoice in parked status. So what is the parked status means? So I do not have any proper approvals, or maybe some reasons. Okay, so I was parked this invoice. So can I able to pay this invoice through automatic payment program? You cannot. Okay. So if the invoice in the blocked status or parked status, you cannot able to pay that invoice through automatic payment program. Not only automatic payment program, you cannot invoice through you cannot pay that invoice through any method, either in the manual way or automatic. Okay. So this is one error. And next error, what is next error? So next error I already, I will tell you that error also. So just go to SPRO, reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger, business transactions, document splitting, classify GL accounts for document splitting. Give your chart of accounts. So this is the invoice. Okay, so this is the ICICI Bank. Okay, I removed this. Save. So for document splitting, so I didn't give that this GL account. Okay, all the GL accounts need to specify in this place for document splitting concept. I didn't explain this concept in very detail so far. So going forward, I will explain this one. Okay. So you just removed from the classification of GL accounts from the document splitting. What error will come? Just we can check it out in very detail. You can go to again F110. Okay, go back, and again delete this proposal. Delete. Okay. Yes, it's done. Now go to again proposal. Start schedule. Watch this video 3 or 4 times after this end of the session. Proposal is created. Now I need to check what are the see again I'm getting error. What is this error? So one is payment for blocker, right? So that was a previous error. Again I go to /n FBL1L 7614 execute. So double click. So just to change the display and remove for block. Okay, save. Now again come to F110. More, proposal, delete. Okay, again you need to create a proposal. It's just like refreshment. Okay, system refreshment. So we have changed the invoice level, right? So we just need to check it out. Again error. What is this error right now? So that was gone. Okay, the previous error item is blocked because here also it's showing is a free to payment. Okay, that error gone. But next error is error in creating payment document read job. What is this? So read job, what is the log? Where is I need to check right now. Just go back. Here is the log. So if you want to see any error, any kind of error, I mean, so if you are not understanding in the display proposal, what is the error, etc. So there are three places that we can find out. One is this place. You can easily identify this is the this invoice got error. Okay, in document level. And the one error where we can see another way. So just go to display proposal log. So all SS are fine. Okay. So any difference is there? See, exception. So this goes to exception. So this is the error. There is no item category assigned to account 200102. Okay. So this error, because this goes to exception. So I need to resolve this issue right now. So you find that this is the error in the job log. In the log, you can also find out the errors in this place. Okay. And one more place is, so you got the error in the proposal level. Just go to more, edit, proposal, exception list. Continue. Okay. So this is the error. So here also we can find the error details. Right? So two places. One is the display proposal log and the second one is proposal exception list. This is the path where you can find the errors. Now what I can do, I can delete again proposal because I need to correct it, right? So just I'm going to proposal, go to display proposal log. Where is that error? Yeah, this one. Double click on this error. So this is the procedure for rectifying the issue. What should I do? Select this GL account, go to documents meeting, again classify GL account, execute, new entries. In this place I just removed, right? Again I am adding. It's a balance sheet, ICICI Bank. This GL is ICICI Bank. It's a balance sheet, right? Balance sheet. Execute. Yes. Simulate. And now go back. Remove. Go back. So I need to delete again because I changes just now I have done. Proposal, delete. Yes. Now go to again proposal, schedule. Okay, just go to display proposal. Now it is in green color. So like that we can resolve the issue. So 4 errors I explained. Okay. And one more error. So watch this video 2 or 3 times after end of the session. And this is a final class for automatic payment program also. Today I will explaining everything in the real-time concept. Okay. Where is that document? We are so first error, this one, account blocked error we just now, and third one is first one is payment method. First one is payment method is done, right? So solution also be there here. Okay, you can explain all these solutions. If there is no open items, then you can find this error. Payment method wrong, you can find this. One minute. So blocked for payment. So minimum amount has not been reached. So what exactly this error? Let's say If I go to /n F110, sorry, FBZP, I need to remove all these things, okay? You just go to FBZP. In the FBZP, I'm taking my company code kHAN, okay? Let's say this invoice is minimum amount for incoming payment is 10 rupees as given. Minimum amount for outgoing payment is 10 rupees. Okay. So that means we can able to pay the invoice up to 10 rupees. So invoice amount is more than 10 rupees, we can pay through automatic payment program. So let's check it out right now. And payment method also we can see. I mean below 5 rupees we cannot pay. So automatic payment program below 5 rupees we cannot pay, right? And if you go to payment method for company code for check, so for check I can pay up to 10 rupees only. Okay. I mean more than 10 I can pay through automatic payment program, but below 10 I cannot pay. So I will book one invoice. FP60. Okay. Give vendor. Invoice date. Amount. Amount is only 5 rupees. Paste. 5 rupees. Test. Post. Okay, it's posted. Now go to FBL1L. So just execute. How many open items are there? 2. One is 1000 and second one is 5 rupees only. Now again go to FB. Where is that? Okay. From this place we can directly go /n FB F110. Okay, run 5. Give the parameters. Company code. V. Next date. Vendor. Okay. Additional log. Save. Okay. Now you can go to proposal. Start schedule. Enter. Go to display proposal. Sorry, log display proposal. So one is okay. This is okay. This invoice you can pay it. Which invoice? $1,000. So here is that amount 1,000. This amount you can pay. There is no problem with that invoice. And second is 5 rupees invoice, right? What is that error? So minimum amount for payment has not been reached. You cannot pay this invoice through automatic payment program. Okay, because this amount is 5 rupees, but in your system you have set for the payment method 10 rupees. So that is the reason you cannot able to pay the invoice through automatic payment program. Okay. So in this case, you people, what you can do, just go to FBZP. Can anyone tell me? So what I am doing, this is correct way or not? Okay. Here I just double click on this. I change it to 5. So now I can able to pay. This is the correct solution or not? Can anyone tell me?
Yeah, it is correct solution.
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah, yes, sir. It is. We can do like this.
Can anyone tell me Pratima's solution is correct or wrong?
Chanu, we can make cash payment instead of APP. We can make the cash payment if less than
No, client
10
require,
rupees.
okay, that's fine, but why I not make to 5 rupees here? So that is the reason analysis is very important, right? As a FICO consultant, we need to analyze more. We don't take the decision on immediate basis.
Okay.
Saif, you can tell. Tell something here. क्या हो गया आज? Shall I change to 5 rupees? What system? So you can pay it if you give the 5 rupees, you can able to pay. But that is the correct solution or not?
Chanu, we can payment method we can change.
Why I need to change the payment method? See, payment method is check, okay? So why the check will received by the vendor? Why I need to change the payment method?
Because it is ACH, we can pay to the vendor by automatic payment program. We can use the automatic payment program, but we can go.
Incorrect. See, automatic payment program. Okay, so minimum amount for incoming and outgoing payment I set 10 rupees only. Okay, so below the 10 rupees I cannot pay. Okay,
We can give
but
instruction.
why I need to pay this invoice? So if you want to pay the invoice, just you give the 5 rupees and you can change that, you can pay. That is the correct solution? No. That is incorrect solution because
We can add this
sorry, yeah, please proceed.
Yeah, we can add this amount to the same vendor, some other amount. Is it possible, sir?
No. See, generally, why we don't pay this invoice? Okay, let me complete. I have given time, but you couldn't explain in with proper reason. Why this invoice we cannot pay through automatic payment program? Because the client requirement is minimum outgoing payment, okay, 10 rupees. More than that you can able to pay, or 10 rupees or more than that you can pay, but below 10 you cannot pay. So you are you are clearing for one vendor, but this automatic payment program is set up for entire vendors, not for a single vendor, entire vendors of your company. If you change this, all vendors can able to post the entries with 5 rupees, okay? So that is the reason it is a global impact. It's a global impact because for payment method check, I have defined only 10 rupees is the minimum standard. So below that, you can pay through manual way. F-53, you can pay it, not through automated payment program, because it's a global impact. Anything you are changing in the system, okay, is already predefined, but you are changing, that means it is not only applicable to particular vendor invoice, it is applicable to entire vendors in your company. That is called as a global impact. As a FICO consultant, okay, so we should not think more on this. So why the people has set a standard limit? Why again I am changing the previous configurations? That we need to check it out first. So anything so invoice should be cleared if you put for 5 rupees, but that is the standard. Why that standard has been set by the company? That is important, right? There should be some reason. That reason we need to analyze, and you can inform to the business, I'm very sorry, because you can take the screenshot. So because of minimum outgoing payment for automatic payment program for this vendor, no, not only this vendor, outgoing payment set limit is 10 rupees. We cannot pay this invoice through automatic payment program. You can do it through manual way. He can do it. If you change this, all settings will be applicable to entire vendors. So anyone got it?
Yeah, in manual way, we can change this amount you're saying, right, sir?
Manual, not manual way. Manual way we need to clear. So there is one transaction code is there, F-53. Okay. So like we are
Yeah.
posting the invoice, we need to clear this way, not automatic. Okay, for clearing, there are two options are there. One is a manual way and the second one is a automatic payment program. I didn't
Yeah.
show the manual way.
Yes, I got it, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So I have shown you the only automatic payment program, how we can do this. So we can clear the invoice in manual way, right? This is the global impact. So that is the reason we need to analyze. I told you like field status variant is global impact last time. So just changing that, you will find the global impact. Here also, if you change anything, it is global impact. Because we didn't set for not only single vendor, we set for entire vendors. Okay, so that automatic payment program not for single vendor, it is for entire vendors. And now you can pay it, okay. You can pay only invoice, one invoice will go. Remaining rest of one invoice should not be paid. Okay, why that invoice is not paid, you can also check in the log. So if invoice is paid, this kind of things you can find out. Okay, or else you just go to edit proposal list or exception list. Here also you can see how many invoices are paid or not. One invoice is not paid, okay. How we can check it out? Only 1000 invoices paid. And you can go to exception list or else. So this is the error, minimum amount for payment has not been reached. That invoice is not paid. Okay. This is real-time error. And if you want to confirm more, just go to FBL1N and just execute. Okay, this invoice is not paid. Reminding that earlier invoice 1000 was cleared. That is the reason it is not in the queue. We can clear this invoice through manual way. F-53. So that concept tomorrow I will explain. So 2 or 3 configuration steps are there. Down payments related. That things I will explain later. So invoice is blocked. Minimum amount has not been reached. See, in vendor master, if you are forgetting to give the street, post box, postal code, bank account number mandatory, you will get the error. Okay. So whatever errors. So if you are not giving proper inputs in vendor master, post box, postal code, bank account number, why? Why we need to give? How the system will affect? So just go to F110. Okay, not FBZP. So in the payment method, sorry, what I'm saying right now, which error? So in the payment method in country, payment methods, street, post box, PO, these are all mandatory. So if you are not given these details in the vendor master, not here, not in the vendor master, but you are already given these details in the automatic payment program for this payment method V, assume that this is V. Okay. Then reporting error will come. Okay, reporting error. That is the reason, make sure that vendor master should be given all the details in the real time. Should be filled with all the details. Okay, don't leave any single column in the vendor master. If it is applicable, then we need to give it all. Even you are not giving all the proper details in the vendor master like bank details, just go to XK02. Okay, enter. So in the vendor master, if you are not given these PO, postal code, city number, street box, these details in proper way, and in the company code level, so bank key, account number, these are all mandatory steps. Okay. If you are not given, so you will get the error. Okay. So this is one kind of issue. Very important. Okay. So whatever the things we are discussed, I do not repeat again. Okay. So this is real time. You will have to analyze more and you get the knowledge. So today I explained these are all errors. The same errors you can explain to the interviewer. Okay. 7 errors you need to explain to the interviewer. So if you are not explaining 7 errors to the interviewer, you are not fit for the job. Okay, he will ask you what are the support, what are the tickets you handled in the automatic payment program or AP. Then you can say these 7 errors. And so far, how many errors I explained to you? Please note down in one book. So any error that you come across, note down one book and read out all that errors. Finally, we should have 30 to 40 errors in our hand. In each module, we need to explain 5 errors in real time for the interview. In AP, you need to collect 5 to 6 errors, or here 7 errors are there. Okay. So 10 errors we need to gather from AP, AR side 10 errors or 5, 6, 7 errors, GL side 3 errors, GL master data, open item management related error, sort key, display option. So whatever in field status variant, what we have faced. So number ranging error. So many errors are come, right? Tolerance error. So yeah, so far we have discussed more than 10, 15 errors we discussed. Okay. So all the errors you need to maintain in one book. Each module you should have, in every module you need to able to explain 5 to 6 errors to the interviewer. Then only you will be select, or else you cannot be select for any interview. Okay. So this is error. Yesterday I have forgotten to explain. Sorry, yesterday due to time constraint, I didn't explain the remaining configurations. Now I will tell you bank determination, house banks. House bank just like in your company. In your company, how many banks maintaining? How many banks your company maintaining? So let's say 5 banks. So we need to create 5 house banks. What is the ranking? Ranking is just like for which bank you are paying first. So assume that you have 3 banks. One is SBI, second is Citi, and third one is ICICI Bank. So for which bank you are giving first preference? Let's say it's ICICI Bank. You need to give the ranking order 1. SBI 2. Citibank 3. Okay. Assume that all amounts are over in the, so amount was not sufficient. So so entire amount was over for the first bank, ICICI. Then automatic payment program will pick the second bank. Okay. So that is the reason we need to give the ranking order. Where we can do this? This is one of the interview question. So interview question is for first payment bank. First bank payments are not available. How the system will pick the second bank? So by doing this configuration, bank determination configuration, where ranking order configuration is there. Okay, so if you give that ranking, system will automatically pick the second bank if the amounts are not sufficient. Okay, that is one error. Error is just like if available payments amounts are not there, then the second system will automatically pick the second bank. That you can explain to the interviewer. Okay, say 8 errors. And house banks, how we can create house bank in S4 HANA, it is very difficult. In ECC, it's very easy. Okay, just go to position, CHEAN. Okay, so double click on this, select this house banks. You need to provide all this information. House bank ID, bank country, bank key, address. Please make it mute. Rahima, please make it mute.
It's not from my side, it's Hindi.
Okay. What is the things I'm saying right now? Okay. So these are all things, right? So we need to create a house bank, right? So company, house bank, bank country, bank ID, so region name. So once you click this option, you will find all this information. You just give the information, SWIFT bank, anything you can give it. Okay. So house banks, how many house banks in your hand? That everything we need to create in real time. 4 or 5 banks are there for the particular company. So 4 or 5 banks we need to create from this place. But in S4 HANA, problem is if you go to bank accounts, you have only read access. Okay, read access means you cannot create from this place. So for that, here is the option. Here one create option is there. But in ECC there is no problem. So here we need to fill all the details. Okay, we need to give all the details 1, 2, 3, 4 IBAN valid number. So bank key and everything we need to give. And GL accounts also we need to add. Okay, so here there is one option option will be there where we can update the GL accounts. So GL account means which GL account you need to add. Let's say it's ICICI Bank. You need to add the ICICI Bank details. So I will show right now. For S4 HANA, you will face this issue, but ECC don't have any problem. Just go to new entries. Select this house banks, new entries. So I'm creating SBI. A house bank is SBI. Bank is 6789. Bank country is India. Okay. And if you double click on this, many options will be there. Bank name is SBI Bank. Is 01 Andhra Pradesh. Street is Hyderabad, Amirpet. Hyderabad. Bank branch Hyderabad. Shift INC. Anything you can give it shift. Okay. Continue. Okay. Save it. Save it. Okay. Now go to bank accounts. Nothing you can find it over here. So in this case, just go to create bank account. For S4 HANA it is okay. For ECC, everything will be there. Once you double click on that, you can give all the details. So opening date is today's date. Company code is CHAN. So bank country is India. So bank is 6789 something I just given 6789. I don't know. I need to check again. Currency is INR. So IBAN valid. Form you can give IBAN number valid anything. Here the same date you can take it. Account number you can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Account type saving account or current account. Okay. Account description saving account or I can write anything over here. Okay. So I just given the details, just save it. Okay. So this is done. This is not an errors, okay. It is a warning messages. What after that there is one more option need to pop up. That is account operation, choose account. Closing date, wait. 1 minute, go to edit. Everything is saved, okay. But we need to give the GL account. That option is not coming here. Here need to, one option will come, okay. Yes, this one, house bank. Just go to house bank account connectivity, manage house banks. Sorry, go to edit, add. So here you need to give the GL account. So if you are created ICICI bank, then ICICI GL account. If you created SBI bank, SBI GL account. Okay, that GL account you need to specify in this place. Okay, I am just going to, so I didn't create any GL account. /NFB FS00 current assets Citibank. Where is the template? Copy. So 204 reference GL is this one only. Okay, so just change SBI. Save. Account group caste only defined for what is this? Why I cannot able to save SBI bank. Something is wrong.
So you are given one number more in the GL account number.
Okay, yeah, this one, right?
Yeah.
2001, yeah, correct. How I can do this again?
Yeah.
FS00. Just go to okay, now it's fine, right? Okay, save. Okay, it's done. Okay, this GL account I need to assign it to that place. Where is that? Here. Okay, assign and save. House bank I have forgotten. The bank and every details you need to give in proper way. Okay, I'm just showing the information how to give and all. So if you are not taking, system will throw an error. Enter bank account ID. So what is the bank account ID that I have given here? What is that bank ID?
Bank is
So it's done. It's done. Okay, it's done. Just go back. Come to this place. Not this one. So select this. Execute. 1 minute. SBI Bank is already created. Create bank interest. This is SBI, right? So I created ICICI Bank. That one is not showing here. Yeah, this one is created. Okay. So if you select ICICI Bank, these are all things we need to give. SBI. So these are all things already updated. Okay. Once you created house banks, then you can go to, so through house banks we can create many bank accounts. Okay. So just go to bank determination. So don't forget the assignment of GL accounts in this place. If you are not assigning GL accounts, you cannot do anything. So error will come. The bank determination. So bank determination ranking order is very important. Okay, just go to position and select this. Go to ranking order. So ranking order means, so for which bank I am the company needs to pay first. ICICI Bank. So give ranking order and select this, copy. So this time you can give payment method V for ranking order 2 for SBI. You can select it here, SBI. Okay, it's copied. Save. So 2 banks I have given. Just go to ranking order. Okay, I changed the first one. Oh, sorry. Delete this. Or else go to new entries. Give payment method V. Currency. Currency you can give INR. And ranking order is 2. This bank is SBI. You can select directly from this place. Select. Just go back. Okay, like that you need to give the ranking orders. Ranking order 1, ranking order 2. If the funds are not available in the ranking order 1, system will pick the ranking order 2. Oh, I have forgotten one more thing. I will explain. Just go to bank accounts. So in the bank account, just go to new entries. Here you can take house bank, SBI. All things will come automatically. Okay, there is no need to give anything. So payment method V for check. Currency INR you can give. So account ID automatically come over here. Account ID. Bank account is same. SBI Bank. Okay. So here we need to assign the bank accounts. Bank accounts means we need to assign all the bank accounts. This is one scenario. Scenario in the ranking order.
Sub account will be bank clearing account or main account?
Here the system, it says a main clearing account. Sub account is different, but I'm taking only this account only, SBI Bank account only.
But it
Are
will,
we
okay.
Hello?
Yeah. Are we able to check the balance in the account?
Balance, that means we need to set over here that amount balances. Here we are setting the balance for outgoing and incoming. Okay. So how much amount is available in the system, that we need to check in the available amounts.
Okay. If it is that amount only, system will pick.
But if you pay any invoices, it will not reduce here. Okay, the same will not be reduced. System will show only outgoing amount, this amount only. That's that limit we set, that's it. If you pay any invoices, so that the amount will not be reduced from this place. Like that, you need to create a new entries for your new bank. Okay, like this. So how many house banks are
But
there? For
then
every house banks, we need to give the outgoing payment and incoming payment. This is incoming payment will not be available in S4HANA, maybe in ECC. For S4HANA, these options are there. Yeah, please tell. Okay. So in the value date, so nothing else. So everything, the same limit we need to give. So ICC account ID, house bank, payment methods, currency. So days, I don't know why the 2 days has been taken here. So in the previous configuration, I just checked out 2 days has been taken for value days. So this is the bank will decide how many days, etc. So for the time being, just to place the 2 days, that's it. Okay. So these are all main configuration steps from automatic payment program. So one, we need to create house banks. I just told you how we can create. It's easy. Okay, after that you need to assign bank determination. So you just check it out, ranking order. First one, second one, house bank, second house bank. Okay, so bank accounts we need to assign. There is no rocket science here. This is enhanced, you just leave it. Available amounts you need to assign. Okay, value date. So sometimes value date is not taken. So these are all mandatory steps. And you need to create payment methods in country. So I created payment method C, and also you can just go to position. Payment country is a CHN. Okay, so I just created payment method V. So payment method V for check. So minimum, maximum amount. These are all foreign currency related things, transactions allowed. Then we can select this option. So script form, this one we need to give. This is very important. Okay, so or else system won't. You will not be print that check in the system through system. So these are all created by the developers. You just assign the script form only. Okay. So like that, you will have to create a wire. So how many payment methods are there? For that, you can create everything. Okay. So go to bank. So check is there. Okay. For this check, you have set new limits. For this wire, you need to select NIFT. You need to select the limits. How much minimum and how much maximum. So these are all things we need to do it from our side. For that, I will share you one document. So please follow all the configurations here. Every configuration is there. Which one we need to select, which script form we need to take. Just follow this and post the entries. And one more thing is, just go to F110, one more solution I'm just explaining. F110. Okay, so I have one, I need to create one invoice, FB60. Okay. In the payment option, okay, I am giving C. Okay, this is another payment method. So my payment method is V, that was set in the vendor master. But invoice level, I just given another payment method. Okay, now I'm just going to F110. So run 6, enter, parameter, give company code, payment method. I'm taking V. and also you can take C, additional log, status, save, proposal, start, schedule, display. So error, okay. What is that error? So minimum amount has not been reached. This error, we just leave it. Second one, no payment valid, no payment method found. How we can rectify this issue? So we have given payment method in vendor master V, but invoice level C. Okay. Now end user come to know that I need to give instead of C. I need to give V instead of C. But how we can change this? Just go to edit, double click. So just go to reallocate. Okay, I'm changing the method C to V. Reallocate. Okay. ICICI Bank. So both banks are coming right now. Okay. Save. And just go back. Now it will be showing as a green color. Now you can pay it. You can change or modify the payment methods in automatic payment program by reallocating. Okay.
Chanu, here I have one doubt.
Yeah.
See, thing is like since we not created payment type C in our company code.
No.
So,
Assume this is assumption. Okay, I created only payment method V. Assume that C is wire.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
that is a question I am just want to ask. If it is
Uh-huh.
already there in my company code, whether system picking or payment.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Come again.
No. See, so maybe if, as you said, I have assumption you're creating wire payment as well as working company code.
Your voice is not audible. It's breaking. Now it's fine. Can you tell again?
No. See, thing is like we have created already in our company code wire payment as well as check payment.
Okay.
Both are there, and vendor master I make the payment method is a C. While creating invoice, I make a payment as a B. So is the system picking the APP payment? No, since
No.
both are there.
System will pick whatever the invoice you are giving. That only system will pick first.
Yeah.
Invoice level system will pick first. After that, it will pick from the vendor master. Sometimes companies what happen don't give anything in the companies don't enter any payment method in the invoice level.
Okay.
They directly expect from the vendor master.
Okay. But
Okay.
but it is possible, no? That is the question I'm asking. That is possible, no?
Yeah, it's possible.
If I change the.
Yeah, right now I changed it, right? Right now I just changed it. I just reallocated.
Yeah, okay. No problem.
Okay, just go back and save. Reallocation is just like you can change the payment method and house bank details also. Okay. Now just go to payment run, schedule. Okay, it's done. One generated, one completed. 1 minute, 1 minute. See, one error is still there. Okay, that is the reason payment has been carried out, not completed. One error is there because one invoice is not paid. What is that invoice? 5 rupees. 5 rupees invoice not paid. Okay, because the minimum amount we have set in the automatic payment program 10 rupees, but invoice level is 5. Invoice is 5 rupees. We can clear through manual way by using F-53 transaction code. So this is about automatic payment program. Okay. And real time, what are the questions will come? One is next due date. Why we are giving next due date in the automatic payment program? Okay, that is one question. Bank determination, second question. So how many invoices that, how many vendors that we can give many number of vendors, okay? If you go to F110, so in the parameters, we can take n number, many number, okay, not a single one, okay. And how many payment methods that you can take, system will allow? Just payment methods. So many thing, okay, 10 maybe. So how many here? So based on that, so all the payment method system will allow. In single time we can do this, all these things. So this one in interview definitely they will ask you what is the purpose of next posting date and bank determination. So two questions are very important. So once the payments are not available, so system will pick the next bank. Okay, that is third question. So print related question. So we need to create a that what we call variant. Okay, in that variant we can give the, let's say this is the possible scenario. This is one scenario. SBI Bank, ICICI Bank. Okay. Invoice is 100 rupees. So SBI Bank available amount is only 50 rupees. ICICI Bank 1000 rupees. Splitting is possible. Splitting is possible. So shall I pay the invoice by using these two banks? Yes. System
Ranking
will. Okay, ranking order is one is saying that you can pay the invoice to SBI Bank, but available amount is only 50 rupees. खत्म हो गया. लेकिन ICICI Bank में है. So this is comes under second part, second ranking order. We can split this invoice. We can split this. Okay, this is on real time question. And you can you pay the invoices through down payments? Yes.
Yes.
Where you can set up all company codes. If you set F and Z, F, all the down payments you can take, you can also pay this invoice through down payments. Okay. So these are general questions. General are important for interview. Okay.
Chanu,
Yeah.
I have a quick question. Like in vendor master record, vendor once, like he set up SBI Bank ranking order 1, ICICI 2, and Citibank 3, but he want now change it. He wants only one bank for the payment. Like he wants only ICICI Bank as a ranking order 1. So we can change it, yeah, in the master record.
See, master record is different and automatic payment program is different. The
Vendor master
automatic payment program ranking order we are giving from the first bank, system will take only that first bank. So in vendor master you will set up only payment method, not banks.
not the banking ranking of the customer bank.
Yeah, you can just try it, those things in yesterday, tomorrow you can take that scenario and do it in your system.
Okay.
Okay, so if you have any further questions, once your setup is once your system is set up, you can do it from your system. What your system response is, just you can find out. Okay, these are all things we discussed today, and tomorrow down payments and manual way how to clear vendor invoices. Okay, then I will go to ER configuration. All configurations are homework. The same whatever things you are done in AP configuration, like account vendor accounts you have created in ER side, you will create customer account groups. In vendor number range you created in AP, customer number range you need to create. Okay, and vendor master you created in AP side, customer master we need to create in ER side. So here automatic payment program, there dunning program. So dunning I will explain. Dunning is very important for the interview. Remaining all things you need to do it from your system and you need to set up the configuration. I will share the documents to you and just configure. Very less configurations in AR and AP. Okay. So here everything is okay. I didn't do anything based on this. Based on the screenshots I created in my system. Okay. So whatever in the screens, whatever the options are available in the system, the same you can paste in your existing system and post one entry through automatic payment program. Okay. So this is the session. Thank you. Oh, almost 141, 2 hours. Great. Bye bye. See you.